Is your LG TV's red light blinking or it's also not turning on? Don't worry, here are 7 reliable methods to fix this issue. Step 1. Check the power supply. Make sure your TV is plugged into a working outlet. Try a different one to rule out any issues. Next, perform a soft reset. Unplug your TV from the power source, wait 10 minutes, then plug it back in. Third, inspect the power cord. Look for any visible damage. If you see fraying or cuts, it's time for a new cord. Fourth, check for overheating. Ensure your TV has proper ventilation. If it feels hot, let it cool down. Fifth, reset the TV. Locate the reset button, usually at the back or side. Use a paper clip to press and hold for 30 seconds. Finally, update the firmware. Outdated software can cause issues. Check LG's website for updates and follow the instructions. Step 7. Check HDMI connections. Sometimes a loose HDMI connection can cause the TV to malfunction. Make sure all HDMI cables are securely connected and try switching between different HDMI ports. If you're still having trouble, it might be time to contact LG customer support for further help.